Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 50 amazing ways to make money with artificial intelligence without doing anything. Yes, you heard it right. We will show you how you can make money passively using AI. So, let's get started. 1. Create an AI-powered chatbot and sell it on online marketplaces. 2. Invest in AI-based ETFs and earn dividends. 3. Develop an AI-powered tool for social media marketing and sell it to businesses. 4. Use AI-based apps for automated trading and earn profits. 5. Develop an AI-based software for stock market analysis and sell it to traders. 6. Rent out your GPU for AI-based training and earn money. 7. Participate in AI-based online surveys and get paid. 8. Rent out your dataset for AI training and earn passive income. 9. Develop an AI-powered tool for content creation and sell it to publishers. 10. Use AI-based online platforms for copywriting and earn money. 11. Create an AI-based tool for keyword research and sell it to SEO agencies. 12. Use AI-based online platforms for stock photography and earn royalties. 13. Develop an AI-based tool for sentiment analysis and sell it to marketers. 14. Use AI-based platforms for online tutoring and earn money. 15. Create an AI-based tool for lead generation and sell it to businesses. 16. Develop an AI-based tool for fraud detection and sell it to financial institutions. 17. Use AI-based platforms for online transcription and earn money. 18. Create an AI-based tool for predictive maintenance and sell it to manufacturers. 19. Develop an AI-based tool for personalization and sell it to online retailers. 20. Use AI-based online platforms for voiceover work and earn money. 21. Create an AI-powered app for language translation and sell it on online marketplaces. 22. Develop an AI-based tool for credit scoring and sell it to financial institutions. 23. Use AI-based platforms for data labeling and earn money. 24. Create an AI-based tool for website optimization and sell it to businesses. 25. Develop an AI-powered tool for video editing and sell it on online marketplaces. 26. Use AI-based online platforms for freelance writing and earn money. 27. Create an AI-powered tool for speech recognition and sell it to call centers. 28. Develop an AI-based tool for lead scoring and sell it to marketers. 29. Use AI-based online platforms for website testing and earn money. 30. Create an AI-powered tool for medical diagnosis and sell it to hospitals. 31. Develop an AI-based tool for customer segmentation and sell it to businesses. 32. Use AI-based platforms for online translation and earn money. 33. Create an AI-powered tool for image recognition and sell it on online marketplaces. 34. Develop an AI-based tool for risk assessment and sell it to insurance companies. 35. Use AI-based online platforms for virtual assistants and earn money. 36. Create an AI-powered tool for recommendation systems and sell it to online retailers. 37. Develop an AI-based tool for speech synthesis and sell it to media companies. 38. Use AI-based platforms for online research and earn money. 39. Create an AI-powered tool for sentiment analysis and sell it to news agencies. 40. Develop an AI-based tool for event prediction and sell it to businesses. 41. Use AI-based online platforms for data analysis and earn money. 42. Create an AI-powered tool for email marketing and sell it to businesses. 43. Develop an AI-based tool for chat moderation and sell it to online communities. 44. Use AI-based platforms for online design work and earn money. 45. Create an AI-powered tool for weather prediction and sell it to meteorological agencies. 46. Develop an AI 47. Invest in AI meme cryptocurrency. 48. Invest in AI-related commodity. 49. Invest on yourself on learning AI-related software. 50. Learn everything about AI and make YouTube channel regarding AI services applications and many more. These are 50 amazing ways to earn money from artificial intelligence. For more info, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.